Hey guys, so we're here today in our living room, and this is the space that we spend the most time with our guests, family, friends when they're over. So guys, I'll show you the space a little bit, and then we also have a special guest again. What I super love about this living room is the way that architect Pauline Sack, architect Pauline, designed it is we have two big sofas across each other, and then we have an ottoman here and two chairs there. So, people, if we have a group of friends, they can have pocket conversations within the space, and we're all together pa rin. And we got a very big coffee table. This is from Vito Selma from Cebu, and super nice. What I like about it, it feels so handmade. The warmth with the carpet. This carpet actually is also handmade, and sobrang nagbagay siya with the carpet and the base. Custom made here locally lang. Actually, most of everything is locally except for this ottoman, the side tables. They're from Hyuga. We imported them. And the throw pillows are also from West Elm. And that beautiful piece there is from Philax. Super love that. Fake yun. But this one, the yucca, I think it's a yucca plant. Yucca tree, it's real. And we've had this for 7 years. 7 years na kaming kasal, so 7 years. There you guys have it. And now, I want to introduce our special guest, interior designer, Jegs Santos. I asked him here today because I wanted some help with fixing this coffee table. And it's very messy. So I asked him to help me out on how to make it more stylish, more clean, more posh.
Yeah.
And therefore, he put his magic in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
This is the finished product.
yes. Actually, you have a very, very beautiful coffee table. I love how the scale actually grounds the whole seating arrangement here with the two sofas, the lounge chairs, and the day bed. And what we did here, since it's a square, what I did is I created a grid pattern.
Oh, what's the
So-
grid pattern?
So basically, think of it like you're playing a tic-tac-toe. There you
Oh,
go.
nga.
So what I did is I created an arrangement, very simple arrangement. I put it in the center, and that was my starting off point. And then from there, I branched out. What I did is I laid out some of your magazines that you already have. Some were from travels
Side
actually.
story is, nang nilayout ko siya, nilayout niya with this on top.
Oo, dalawa pa yun. Wait, may isa pa. May isa. Ito. Oh my God. I would be...
And then, my husband came home, and then sabi niya, oh, nice. Oh,
Tinago niya.
yeah, tinago niya. This is his, I'm so proud of my husband, by the way. This is my husband. Pero ang ginawa niya, tinago niya lahat sa ilalim. Kaya, naging mother with the thing. Ang nasa harap. Anyway, sorry. Going back to the grid.
Yeah, so ayun nga, I laid out all of the books and magazines that you have, and what I did is I grouped things by color,
Okay.
by
Bakit kailangan by color? Para
it's more
maganda.
it's more your eyes know where how to look at it basically.
It's not messy.
It's not messy basically. Yes. So same magazine titles, and then so ayun nga, center, create a grid. So here naman I added a box to add some variety kasi medyo umay naman eh.
Kapag may hike. Parang may hike.
Yes. And then I layered it with your
Those.
the candles, the accessories. You had beautiful trinket trays.
So, I love collecting cigar trays. So, this is an Hermes one. This is their building. So, I really, when I travel, I buy one piece para I can remember that. When I see that piece and then I remember my travel, my trip, I was asking you, how do you use your pieces that is personal and style it nice?
Yes. So this is one way to do it. You display it one by one, or you group it together like how I did with these, and then yeah, like just display what's personal.
What I noticed, what I noticed
Go on.
here is since the cigar tray is blue, the magazine behind it is kind of also on the shade of blue.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So parang, I think that's a nice way
Yeah.
of doing it. If you're not so sure, always go follow the shade of color
Yes.
and group it together.
Yes.
But actually, I've never seen, or I wouldn't even think of being able to do in this grid.
Yes.
The tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe. It's
Ganda,
nice,
yeah.
diba? It's nice. It's effective.
Nice.
It's effective. It fills out the scale of the coffee table. Not too cluttered, pero it displays everything that you want to display and are personal to you. So that's what I like about it. And I love styling coffee tables. It's my favorite thing to do.
Really?
Yeah, super nice.
Parang kasi when I see a coffee table and then I see Pinterest pegs, diba? Or minsan makikita ko sa mga YouTube, ang ganda na parang may book na naka-layer, tapos may candle, tapos meron dito. Parang hindi ko siya maisip on how I group it.
Yes.
Sorry, what do you call it again when it's not the grid? The grouping?
You do zoning.
Zoning.
Zoning. So,
Yun yung madalas kong makita sa Pinterest. Zoning. So dito lahat ng candles.
yes.
And then they have that Fornasetti candles. I
Yes.
always see that.
Yeah.
Parang you have the Fornasetti pillows. Then you have the Fornasetti candle here. Then parang ang ganda niya tingnan. Tapos normally may coffee. Yung may picture May coffee mug.
Yes.
Tapos yun yung picture mo. But I can't seem to know how to do it with the blank space. That's why I needed your help.
Yes. You always start with one big piece.
Big piece for
One piece that you really, really love or you want to see in that particular area. And then you build from that. You use whatever you have, books, trays, candles, any decor that you have that you want to display. Put it all in what you feel like will work for you, and then look at it from afar, edit. Take things out, and until you're satisfied with the whole styling.
And I guess one more tip is it's your home. It's your house. So there's wala namang mistake. Like you won't get correct and you won't get an F.
Yes.
Bahay mo naman yan.
Yes.
If you don't feel it, change it.
Change it.
If you feel it, go. Diba? It's your space.
It's your space. Whatever.
You should feel comfortable.
Yes.
Yeah. Ako, my only tip is when you move into a new space, don't force it. Siguro if you have a designer, you have somebody styling, okay, you follow what they suggest. But you don't need to buy everything agad-agad. Because when I moved here, I wanted to buy everything agad. I wanted to fill it up with so many things. And now I have clutter. Because every year you'll see something new. Every travel, you want to get another thing. Yes. So usually start with the basics. When you see something and then slowly, because this is your house. It's your home. It's not a restaurant. It's not something not a hotel. So it's really nice. Anyway, thank you so much, Jegs, for being part of our show. And I hope you guys learned a lot from interior designer Jegs. And if you guys have some tips as well, please share with us. Comment down below lang because I would love to learn about it and hear about it. So I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Bye.